What's air?
The stuff that is in and out.
Oh.
And another way to say it is carbon dioxide.
The tree takes in the carbon dioxide that we breathe out?
Yeah.
Cool.
The tree gives us air. We
The-
have a lot of trees in front of our house, so we have a lot of air.
Phew.
There are a lot of trees everywhere.
Yeah.
So we have air everywhere. Trees.
What about this guy? What's that guy in the tree?
What is it?
He's black and yellow and flying around.
Huh? Black and yellow, huh?
Yeah.
Well,
Quiet, dude.
is it flying around? Was it?
Yes, it is.
Shush.
It's okay.
That's a bee.
It's a bee?
Yellow stripes, black skin,
Something like that.
buzzing around.
Yeah.
A bumblebee.
What does it do?
It pollinates. That's bees pollinate honey for us, and it also makes us a honeybee
How does it do that?
by sucking all the stuff from the flowers.
Yeah. Then what does it do with it?
It eats it and then spits it out.
And then we eat the honey?
And then it spits it in, and then it spits it into another bee's mouth. And then it puts it in the honey. And then they make honey.
Ew.
And that's how the honey we eat is made.
Oh. Yum.
Not you. So, any other questions?
I don't know.
Any other questions?
Yes, I have another question. Why does this piece of grass go up in a little hill right here? What's up with that?
Well, can you see some little bugs over there?
I don't know, can I? Oh, I can. I see it. Oh, I see a whole bunch of them. Yes, I do.
You know what they
What are they?
Those are ants.
What's
They
an
look-
ant?
They are tiny bugs. But I know that doesn't explain why there's a giant lump in the grass.
No.
That's because that's an ant's home. The ant built its home under a pile of grass. So it looks like it's just a pile of grass.
Does it have to be under a pile of grass?
No,
No?
but sometimes it can also get hidden in the rain.
Oh.
Because look at this. Come over here. Can you see some little brown? Can you see a little brown bits in that piece of grass?
I do.
That's because that was an anthill.
Oh.
An anthill that got struck down by rain.
Oh.
Ants have to build the homes back each separate time when the rain comes.
They do?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
Oh. Well, sorry.
But if it gets destroyed by water, then they have to rebuild it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's true.
What are all those things up there? Oh. Yeah.
Those are birds.
Oh. Are you sure they're not bats?
Yes. I'm sure.
Okay. Kind of sound like bats. Oh, be quiet, dude.